some ribeye steak right here. I prepared it with just salt. And some salt. And once you put the salt on there, just a little sprinkle, and you wanna caress it. You wanna caress the meat as if it was a voluptuous, tender ass. And that's it. See you outside. So we got here, come over here. We got a nice mixture of used charcoal. We have some good charcoal and some starter charcoal. And then we gonna use any type of lighter. Step back. Just watch and learn. We got some odorless lighter fluid. And that's it. That's all that's really needed. I'm gonna throw this one on there. And you're gonna, once that's heated up, you're gonna use the and you can use the brush too, because it softens, the fire softens the gunk, and then you drink a beer. All you do is wait. So you take meat like so, meat, throw it on there, and you take the other meat, throw it on there. That's it. And then you party. Woo. Now that's medium rare, folks. So we covered it up to give smoke flavor. That's the technique, to get smoke flavor. Close the hatches down below, or you could open it up. You know, you gotta find your temperature. Give that smoke, you know what I'm saying? Alright. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you steak 101.
That looks good.
Steak 101.
Okay, let's try it. This is yours?
Yeah. Ooh, ooh. Look at that blood. That's a medium rare. This one, she liked it well. Oh, it's not
this one
well
has
though.
more blood.
It's good though?
Yeah.
What you
It's
think?
really good.
Really good?
Mm-hmm.